Here I've got OPPO A73, and let me show you how to erase all app data on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings. From the following list, pick the last option, which is backup and reset, and then go to factory data reset right here. And now all you have to do is to click on erase all app data and deletable apps right here. Draw the unlocked pattern if you have one, and then click on erase data to confirm that you would like to do it. Click again, and now just give your device a short while. And that's it, now you can set up your device as a new one. So that would be all, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.